explorers, haven't seen you in a long time. Welcome to this week's video. We are staying at Letlapa Pula Stone House. This is a heritage site which they converted in the most romantic couple Bushveld getaway. But let's show you this hidden gem.
So now that you've seen the inside, Skippy came to me a while ago and said she's in the mood for a weekend away. So we started looking at Letlapa. Thank you to Letlapa for making weekend getaways quick and easy. And this place popped up and immediately the memories just started rushing back. We've been here in 2018 and I told her, let's come back to this place, but bring you guys along to show you this amazing place in the Bushveld. They advertised this place with a 360 view of the Limpopo Bushveld. It starts off once you walk onto the veranda and it continues on this side with a dining table with this amazing view. They really thought about everything here. They start you off with a bag of food and a bag of ice to get your weekend going, and they offer daily cleaning services. But this isn't going to work for me, so let's get this fire going. So now that the fire is going, on this side there's a small splash pool for those hot summer days. Make sure you stay tuned because we have quite a few awesome activities planned for this weekend, but we'll see you when it's time to braai.
So tonight's side dish with a braai is braai broodjies. We're going to keep it plain and simple. And did you know South African ladies get judged by their braai broodjie making skills? So let's get to it. So we kept it plain and simple with garlic, chutney, sweet chili sauce, tomato, onion and a lot of cheese. Comment down below if you prefer your braai broodjie with or without tomato. And tell me guys, please tell me you are buttering your bread on the outside. So let's check what Joe is doing at the fire.
So my responsibility tonight is to braai the meat. So what we have here is a venison fillet that's infused with a curry susati flavor, and we have some venison plain braaivors. So on the steak I'm just going to put some salt and pepper and some spice, make it medium rare. Luckily I got this handy thermometer to check the inside temperature, so at about 50 degrees internal temperature we're going to take it off. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's currently on temperature 48 degrees, so it's time to take it off and eat. Okay, so now it's time to braai the braai broodjies. I must say something that really helps a lot is if you have an adjustable grid, do not squash the braai broodjies onto it. So you want to braai them until the cheese melts, and it's a bit crispy on the outside, and then it's perfect. Dinner was absolutely amazing. I must say the inner parma and pepper sauce works very well with some fillet. It's been quite a busy week, so we are pretty tired, so we're gonna go to sleep now. So see you tomorrow morning for our first activity. Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:45. I'm just having an extra braai breakie for a quick breakfast. We're waiting for a game drive to arrive, to go on a game drive. Unfortunately, it's a bit overcast, but let's hope to see some good animals.
So we are back from our game drive. So when the alarm went off 5 o'clock, we thought like, oh goodness, what went through our minds for booking a game drive 6 o'clock on a Saturday morning? But it was absolutely worth it. The fresh air, the veld, the water flowing, the animals grazing, it was beautiful. We are so glad we did this. Highly recommend to do a game drive here. They have quite a lot of animals. We saw giraffe, kudu, zebras, nyala, impala. They even have oryx and sables on this farm. And this game farm is about 3,000 hectares big. So I think it's time for breakfast now. It started to rain again, but this is absolutely a beautiful morning.
There's some zebra and impala lying in the veld bed.
So after breakfast, we went and lie down on the sun loungers on the veranda and lost track of time. And now it is late afternoon. Joe just lit the fire. And on the menu is braai, but we'll show you that later. So Letlapa Pula has 4 different types of accommodation. Link will be in the description for more information about each unit. This stone house has everything that you would need, from a microwave, fridge, oven, aircon in the room, inside and outside shower, a bathtub with the most beautiful bush view. But wait till the end to hear our full review about this place.
Okay guys, while we are watching this epic sunset in the background, we decided to braai a bit earlier tonight. We wanted to make a fire after dinner to sit around a boma fire. So what we have going here tonight is a rack of ribs, some chili cheddar cheese cabanossi braaiwors, but that's for breakfast tomorrow morning, and some oopsies. And we're gonna have a salad with this for dinner.
Unfortunately, it's our last morning here. Hate to leave. Letlapa Pula Game Farm is about 40 kilometers before Thabazimbi and about 2 hours drive from Pretoria, which make this place the best perfect weekend getaway for a couple retreat. What would you rate this place?
I would definitely rate this place a 10 out of 10. Everything in the house was perfect. The staff is super friendly. The game drive was amazing. This is definitely a place you need to come and visit. But if you're looking for other weekend getaway ideas in the Bushveld, choose one of the options here. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye!
And then?
Perfect. Oh, that's cool. Perfect.
So, rol jy. So now that you've seen the inside, lekker korrek. Okay. Wat het ek nou net als gesê?